Good evening, VV Nation. Welcome to the channel. It's always my pleasure for the 6 p.m. videos. My name is Ryan, your host here at the VectorVest Channel. Now, tonight's presentation, there's been a hot space. I love the chart patterns when I was looking through the charts earlier. One space in particular, biotech. It's been on fire lately. It's actually one of the top RT industries, and in particular, it's the ETF. So if you want some easier plays so that way you can get exposure to this hot industry and reduce risk, look no further. As we dive into the VectorVest software, we'll utilize our proprietary indicators to keep you on the right side of the trade. So if this is something that you're interested in, stick around and let's get started. For the first biotech ETF this evening, it will be LABU. This is the S&P Triple Leverage Biotech ETF. The ETF's been on my radar in an ascending channel here, already in a bullish manner, but the momentum picking up, breaking to the outside of this channel. Down below, we utilize RT relative timing. This looks at the short-term price trend, keeps us on the right side of the trade. Down below, we can see RT relative timing getting our subscribers on the right side of this trade as early as June 6th to close that day, $60, currently trading at $157.45 by recommendation for the last 3 months without a hold in sight. Just taking a look at the second ETF, we've got BBC. This is BioShares Biotechnology, just out of the gate without overthinking it. Lower left, upper right price action just hit a new high today, coming at 36.38. RT relative timing being above 1 the entire last 6 months, so the trend has been in favor of the bulls. Now the next stock, another smooth price pattern here. Lower left, upper right, steady Eddie. This is the type of ETF you can go to sleep easily at night. BIB, ProShares Ultra NASDAQ Biotech ETF. RT relative timing becoming favorable as early as June 4th here. RT relative timing becoming favorable territory, 1.01. The close that day, 45.25. RT hitting a series of higher highs and higher lows, showing that momentum for the bulls is picking up, showing a lot of momentum still in the trade at this time. Next one is SBIO. This is Alps Medical Breakthroughs, another ETF. But again, this is the reason why I want them on your radar. Nice lower left, upper right price action. All of these ETFs are trading near highs. This one currently sitting at 48.53. And as long as RT relative timing remains above 1 and the trend shows momentum for the bulls, I would be optimistic on this position. Now, the last ETF we have this evening, XBI, Spider S&P Biotech. So if you don't want something as leveraged, don't want something as volatile, look at the price action. Lower left, upper right. Started around $80 about 6 months ago, now trading $120. So 100% gain in the last 6 months. In addition, look at RT relative timing getting in this trade. Once again, early June, rate opportunity around $80. This holiday season, kick off your investment journey on the right path. Join VectorVest today. Just 99 cents gives you 30 days access to the world's most powerful investment software. Just go to vectorvest.com/YT to take advantage of the special offer. And with the RT relative timing showing momentum to the upside, still coming in at 1.56, a lot of momentum left in this ETF. The VectorVest software makes analyzing ETFs very simple, and you can see utilizing our proprietary RT indicator, getting a lot of our subscribers in early on this trade. Now, if you found these biotech ETFs informative, make sure you hit that like button. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys tomorrow evening. Good night.
Hey VV Nation, if you want to take control of your financial future and make smarter investing decisions, you're in the right place. Here on the VectorVest channel, we cut out the guesswork. Just data-driven insights that work, showing you when to buy, what to buy, and when to sell. And we're on the road to 100,000 subscribers, and every click helps grow VV Nation. So hit the subscribe, tap the bell icon, and start investing with confidence today.
Yeah.